Will Shiba Inu be able to return to her position? 356 billion SHIB bought by this whale as token rises 6% among crypto massacre. Ethereum whale Blue Whale 0073 continues to buy massive amounts of Shiba Inu, even now, when the market is seeing the top 10 and other coins' prices bleeding and seeing their market caps melt. Aside from SHIB, whales have been acquiring great amounts of FTX token and Matic. 356 billion Shiba added by this whale. WhaleStats crypto tracking service focused on the largest 100 wallets on various blockchains, including Ethereum, BNB, Polygon, etc., has tweeted that the owner of the Blue Whale 0073 has made a large Shiba Inu acquisition. A total of 356,078,908,730 Shiba has been added to this crypto address, evaluated at slightly more than $3 million USD. The transaction took place over 14 hours ago. Earlier this month, Whales made at least 2 more purchases of the second largest meme token SHIB. On June 6, the investor with a wallet called Blue Whale 0159 acquired 187 billion Shiba Inu, and, on June 1, this whale added 130,419,267,297 SHIB to his address. The former purchase was made for nearly $2 billion, and the latter was evaluated at $1,531,122 at the time of the trade. Whales load up on FTT and Matic. As FTT has been spotted as the largest holding of Ethereum whales by USD value, WhaleStats also reported that several staggering lumps of FTX tokens have been bought by investors on the ETH chain. These whales hold ETH, Blue Whale 0116, Blue Whale 0079, and Bonobo. They have acquired 771,779, 6,500,000 and 15 million FTX, respectively. All in all, these amounts of FTT were worth a whopping $510.5 million. Roughly 5.8 million Matic have also been bought, evaluated at $2.4 million. SHIB rises 6% in bleeding market. As the cryptocurrency market remains in deep red, with Bitcoin dropping to $22,500 and Ethereum declining to $1,222, along with the majority of other coins, Shiba Inu has been putting up some growth despite all this. Over the past 24 hours, the second biggest K9 crypto has shown a rise of nearly 6%, according to CoinMarketCap. Cardano, Solana, and a few other coins within the top 20 list have also demonstrated substantial growth.